If you're someone who's looking to give someone or yourself the gift of the Galaxy Watch 4, you're going to want to watch this video. I made it so people who are not tech engineers are going to be able to understand how to use the Galaxy Watch 4 and why you want to check it out. Here's my unboxing now. Boom. Now let's take it out of the box. This is the complete unwrapping experience. It comes out. And here you are. These are your two pieces. And I opted for kind of like this midnight green color, but this comes in various colors. Also, it comes with different straps. And inside the box, you'll be getting your quick start guide, your charging cable, which is going to be controlled by magnets. Pull this out. And this is what the watch looks like up close. There's one button here, one button here on your Watch 4. I do love how this green that they chose in here is just really beautiful. It's just ultimately watch. Boom. And now this is going to be charging. And you can see now it is going to start turning on. A super beautiful watch. It's indicating that it's charging by the light right there. That means it is charging. You can also see it on your watch. Just turned mine on. And we just turned it on, and you can see our Samsung menu is coming out. Phone, so you're going to be setting this up on your phone, and it's going to allow you to set up the dial completely. So let me show you how easy it is to set up. So it says check your phone to complete the setup. Here is our phone, Galaxy wearable. We're going to press the start button. We're going to add in our Galaxy Watch 4. Correct. Install Galaxy 4 Watch plugin. We're going to install it. So sign in for more features. So get these features when you sign into your Samsung account and connect a supported Galaxy Watch. So now it is getting the watch ready for use. We are all connected. We have the Galaxy Watch 4. We're connected. We have 70. You can see 79% battery life. You can make calls and texts from your watch by setting up the mobile plan for it. So we're just not going to do that right now. You can get some tips on how to use the watch. So getting around, watch face and favorite app, your connected phone, become a power user, tracking your health, so how cool is that? These are all features that we're finding here. Now, control your watch with gestures. Here's settings. If I double press, this is going to mean go to your most recent app. If I press and hold, it's going to wake Bixby, but I can change that to power off menu. You have short press, you can do answer call gestures, dismiss calls, and remote connection. We can find your watch. Here's your watch settings. So you have notifications that you can modify here. You can see it's on my Gmail and my WhatsApp. I can mute notifications on phone. I can show phone notifications on watch. I have sound and volume. We have display. So I can adjust my display brightness on it. I have auto brightness, and I can turn on the always on display right there. And always on display, once I set it, and this is going to become active. I'll show you. Starting. So take a tour of your watch. So I'm showing you the app. Here is your update and your about watch information. So now let's look at the watch itself. So here is the watch. We're going to press start. So swipe down from the top to open the quick panels. And here is your quick panel. Swipe up to go back to the watch face. For apps, swipe up from the bottom edge. And here are your apps. Swipe down to go back to watch face. Nice. For notifications, swipe right. Tap to open notifications. Tap right from the edge to go back to previous screen. Go back to watch face. The Galaxy Watch 4. So I just really think the Galaxy Watch 4 is a very strong contender for best Samsung watch. Because I love what they did with the OS. They really kind of merged it with the Google system. So the watch is not so much Samsung, it's like a hybrid system. And I love how it feels, and I love the screen. I mean, the big screen with that connectivity on the LTE. It makes it an A+ in my book. Thanks, guys. I'll catch you next time.